Hi guys, do you have local songs on your Windows PC that aren't on Spotify? And if you're wondering how to add them on your Spotify library, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to add local songs to Spotify on your Windows PC. So let's dive in. Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming services globally, but it does not have every song. So before you add your local files on Spotify, remember that Spotify supports MP3, FLAC, WAV, and OGG audio formats. To add your locally saved MP3 files, you need to click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings, then scroll down, and there you'll get the section of your library. Here, make sure that the toggle of Show Local Files is turned on. You'll see a list of folders Spotify can access for local files, and you can enable or disable any folder you wish. Then after click on Add a Source option, here select your PC or where the MP3 file is located. Once you've selected your desired folders, return to your library and click on Local Files. You'll see all of your MP3 files that Spotify can play. To listen to this on any device, you'll need a Spotify Premium subscription. With Premium, you can download them to your device or sync them with other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.